Hi everybody, welcome to Mom's Cooking and Cleaning. On today's video, we're going to be preparing a delicious Mexican hot drink. Yes, we're going to be preparing a champurrado. And the main ingredient is the tortilla dough. Who's ready to start? These are the ingredients that we're going to be using for our champurrado. Here we have 1 tablet of Mexican chocolate, a pinch of salt, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 piloncillo, evaporated milk, ½ pound of tortilla dough, 2 liters of water, a medium-sized pot, and a blender. So to start, we're going to be using a medium-sized pot and we're going to be adding 2 liters of water. Then I'm going to turn on the stove at medium heat. And then I'm going to be adding 2 of the cinnamon sticks and we're going to let it to boil so the sticks can infuse our water. Now we're going to be adding our piloncillo to the water and the chocolate tablet, and we're going to let them dissolve. When the piloncillo is dissolved halfway, I'm going to take it out because for this recipe I'm just going to be using half of a piloncillo. In the meantime, we're going to be blending the tortilla dough and the milk. Here I have 1 can of the evaporated milk. I have a pinch of salt. And here is a ½ pound of the tortilla dough. It's already divided, so we're good to go. Now, let's blend this up. We're going to set this aside until our tablet and piloncillo are dissolved. Okay. I see that the piloncillo is already halfway, so I'm going to take it out. If you feel like after all that it needs a little bit more sugar, you might want to leave the rest of the piloncillo, or you can add a little bit of sugar. Now it is time to add our mixture of the tortilla dough and milk. The chocolate is already smelling so good. Please don't leave your pot unattended because since it already has some milk, it can overflow. You gotta stir continuously because we want to avoid lumps. Ooh, it is boiling already. I think it has the perfect consistency right now. I'm gonna turn off the stove and let it sit there for a little bit because I don't want to burn my tongue. I'll leave it there. Now it's time to taste it. I think it's still hot. Delicious. I really liked it. And you know what? This brings me very good memories from my childhood. I remember having champurrado every time that we would go to the posadas when I was young. The cinnamon. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you very much for joining, and see you soon.